Hello guys, do you want to know how to set up your keyboard to sound like this? Or this very one to sound like this? So in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to set up a keyboard like this. Either the first one or the second one. Please guys, stay tuned. Hi guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share if you enjoy my content so that I'll bring more. Let's get back to the content. Thank you. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to set up your keyboard in this way. Let me get my camera close, then I will begin the tutorial proper. So for the first voice I used, see how I set it up. It's a combination of your grand piano and your slow strings. By the way, I'm doing this on PSR E 463. Same settings apply to E473, any E series keyboard. You can set this as well. So far it has the function button and all the splits, dual and the rest, and the harmony. So first off, you're going to set up your grand piano, that is your main voice. Put the main voice volume to somewhere around 122. We are looking for M volume. You click on function here, then use this very arrow to go up and down. So we're looking for M volume. M volume. Leave it on 122. You can decrease it, you can increase it. But for this very set, how I set up my own, leave it on 122. Then after setting up your M volume, if you don't have a sustain pedal, set up your M release as well. M release, put it 110, 110. Understand? So the M voice is now set up. See how it sounds first of all. See, we are still setting it up, and the next thing you're going to set up is your dual. To do it, you press it down and leave it. So we are using the slow strings. It's on 073 slow strings. After selecting it, you click on function again and use this very arrow. Put your dual volume at 50. Then your dual octave, leave it at 0. Understand? Leave it at 0. So the next thing is your dual cutoff. Cut it off to 30. Hope you're getting it. Cut it off to 30. Then after that, your dual is now set up. Yeah. To activate it, you click on dual once. You see? So let's see how it sounds. Then the last thing you're going to set up is your harmony. You click on harmony. You put it on duet. Then the harmony volume, put it on 127. After doing that, you click on harmony once, so it's now set up. So let's check again. That's the same thing I played. So this is how to set up for the first one. After watching it, you're going to comment on the comment section the one you prefer, either the first or the second. So for the second, let's set it up here. For the second, I use my grand piano and the one pad. You understand? So we set up the grand piano first. Same thing here. The M volume of the grand piano, leave it at 122. We are looking for M volume 122. Yeah. The M release, you put it at 110. The M release 110. Hope you guys are saying it. M release at 110. Then that's it for the master volume and the rest. So after setting up the master volume, you now set up the dual voice. The dual voice we're going to use, like I said, is one pad. On this keyboard is on 600. Yeah. Here it's on 600. Let's look for the dual volume. Let's put it at 50. Then you are not going to cut it off. Let's activate it and see. We're going to increase the volume more so that it will be coming up. Let's put it at 60. You see? See how nice it sounds. The dual octave should be on 0 for this as well. Hope you're getting it. So after that, you just same thing with your harmony. You use the duets, then the volume at 127. Then you activate it by clicking once here. I'm using one hand to play. You can also increase your dual volume if you want it to come up as well. You can do anything with this very setting. You can increase it to 70 if you like. Yeah, for this one part, for the one part to be coming up, because it's not like the slow string that is shouting. Yes, you can use 70 for it. You see? So you can use either of the two. So, but just comment on the comment section the one you prefer, either the first one or the second one. This is the best way to set up this very keyboard. This keyboard for worship. Please, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, drop your feedbacks. Thank you, and remain good. Peace. Bye.